Great schools are powered by great teachers. Inspired, confident, and constantly evolving. At Navneet, we believe that empowered educators build empowered learners. That's why we created NITYA Personalized Teacher Training program that helps teachers grow and schools excel. NITYA is a customized, research-driven, hands-on training program designed to upskill educators. With over 500,000 teachers trained in 15,000 plus workshops conducted across India, NITYA is setting new benchmarks in teacher empowerment. With 100 plus specialized modules, 1-day to 3-day training program. NITYA focuses on practical, need-based learning, not just theory. Each program is customized to your school's goals, aligned with NEP 2020 and NCF 2023, and delivered through our proven 4-step model: assess, customize, deliver, and review. NITYA empowers everyone who shapes learning: principals and coordinators, teachers pre-primary to secondary, school management teams. With NITYA, schools experience real transformation. Teachers feel more confident, classrooms become more engaging, and learning outcomes improve. It's professional upskilling with measurable impact. NITYA nurturing and inspiring teachers, yielding achievement. Book a training at www.nityatraining.com or sales@nityatraining.com or contact us on 1800 266 6676.